In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your Wix contact page or app isn't showing as it should. This can be a little frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure your contact page is up and running perfectly. First, let's get started by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is the hub of all your editing activities. To access this, you'll want to log in to your Wix account and navigate to My Site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option to launch the editor. You should see your site pop up with all its foundational elements visible. As you're working within the editor, you'll notice elements on the page that have highlights. These highlights are incredibly useful as they represent clickable areas or sections you can customize or configure further. So go ahead and click on one of these highlighted areas. Keep in mind that sometimes these highlights can be a bit tricky to spot, so make sure you hover over different parts of your site to ensure you don't miss any interactive elements. Moving forward, you'll want to continue clicking on the highlighted areas to ascertain which sections are responsive and editable. Remember, you are searching for the section that's related to the contact page or contact app components. You may need to explore your way through a couple of these highlighted sections before you find the exact one related to your concern. Once you've navigated through these highlights, you should eventually find one that is related to the contact functions of your site. When you reach this point, take a moment to explore the context around it, making sure it's exactly where the issue lies. Now, the next step you'll need to focus on is directly clicking on the Contact Interactive button or section. This will often bring up a side panel or a set of options underneath where you can customize settings specifically for this feature. It is a great idea to double check the options available here, ensuring everything essential for making the contact page visible is appropriately configured. Finally, in the same menu or panel, there should be the option to add page. This is an important step, especially if your problem arises from the contact page not being part of the navigation menu or site structure. Go ahead and click on Add Page. From here, you can add the necessary contact page, ensuring it's integrated seamlessly within your site's navigation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully fixed the issue of your Wix contact page or app not showing up. Take a moment to review your site to ensure everything appears as expected and your contact information is readily accessible to visitors. If this guide was helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.